The 2009 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, Bluetooth, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, universal garage door opener. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.